question number 10 is expanded form. Expanded form. Write the following number in expanded form. This one is our unit place, this one is our thousand places, this one is our million, this one is billion. A 1 billion number has 10 digits, so we can write it as 3 and remaining is as zeros. Remainings consider as zeros. 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 3 billion plus this one is 7, and this what is the number place of this number? What is the place of this number? This number has 100 million. It means that 100 million, 700 million. Remaining numbers consider as zeros. This one is 0 0 zeros. So the 6 digit has what place number? What is the number place value of this number? This number has 10 million place value. It means that 6 and remaining are considered 0. So 6 0 0 0 0 0 0. The space is very convenient way to write a number in this form. So remaining are same. Next 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. You should have to add a place between these numbers. 8 0 0 0 0 0 plus 3 0 0 0 0 plus 0 0 0 0 plus 5 0 0 plus 9 0 plus 6. This is our expanded form of the given number. Now question number 11, descending order. Arrange the following number in descending order. As we know that descending order means largest to smallest. So this means that we arrange in this number into largest to smallest. So let's see the number. This place and this place is same. So this place is 749 749 749 is same in 3 numbers. So 603 630 613 is different, but we can see that which is the largest unit place. So unit place, let's see the unit place. 298 928 829, this one is largest, so we can write this number as the first largest number. Now consider another number. 829 is the second largest number, and 298 it is the smallest number, so we can write in this form of this number. So now next question is question number 2. So the question number 12 is write the previous number of the following numbers. The previous we have the following number 2488 909. Unit place, thousand place, this one is million place. So previous number means we can only subtract one number from the unit place. So 909 minus 1 is equal to 908. So the answer will be 2488 908. This is our answer. And next inshallah we will solve the exercise number 1B. So see you soon. Allah Hafiz.